This is a 1960's Remington Personal-Riter typewriter. It has been refurbished and it is in near mint condition. Everything works as it should and it's ready to type. This Remington Personal-Riter typewriter is in near mint condition. It has beautiful white, smooth keys. Types very well. There is a little mark here where there's a sticker at one time. It's only noticeable in certain light. Made in Holland. There's a few small marks on the back. Has a new ribbon installed. And it is ready to go. This typewriter also comes with its original case, which has been cleaned and it's solid and it latches well. It does have some paint on the side of it, a few little marks here and there. But it looks pretty good overall. The interior is pretty good also. And that's for the Remington Personal-Riter typewriter.